All right, let's end this one clean. This is part 4 and the end of the rebuild series. If you feel called to, go watch the other parts. If not, let's get into it. You're not broken. You never the fuck were. You were lied to. You were raised in environments that couldn't hold your depth, your perception, your power. So they tried to manage it instead. You weren't nurtured. You were conditioned. You weren't seen. You were fucking monitored. And you weren't loved freely. You were controlled. That wasn't a personal favor. That was a structural one. And yeah, look at you now. You still bloomed, you still questioned, you still felt truth moving in your body when you were told not to fucking trust it. You found your way back to yourself in a world designed to keep you fucking disconnected. That's something to be proud of. And you're not the wounded identity they fucking assigned you either. You are not the diagnosis. You are not the story built around your fucking survival. You are the rewrite. You are the glitch in the system. You are living proof that healing is not compliance, it's rebellion. So don't shrink now. Don't soften to make others comfortable. Don't silence the version of you that finally knows who the fuck they are. The new you isn't too much. You're just not fucking contained anymore, and welcome back. Welcome back. Self-love looks good on you. Healing looks good on you. 143 on that timer. Source sending out a I love you. I hear a train in the background. That might be a sign or confirmation for somebody. I'm looking at these clouds today. Half looks like doom gloom, and then half the sun is peaking, and it's kind of like Simpsons vibe clouds. I'm seeing like 2 different shades of blue in the sky. I need to learn how to flip my goddamn camera. Let's see if that works. If you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the buttons. 222 on that timer. Source saying keep talking. I hope what I share helps someone out along on their journey. And on that note, I'm going to go do my adulting errands. Adulting isn't fun. I question why we wanted to grow up so fast. But, you know, all the chosen ones had to grow up fast is what I'm putting together in my puzzle. It looks like the chosen individuals chose to have their asses handed to them beginning in childhood because we needed that trauma to create who the F we are now. And, you know, without that pain, this version wouldn't be here. And I'm proud of this version. Remember to be proud of who is here right now. Because if you change one little thing, this version won't be here. So you got to think about that too. Give yourself grace and be proud of the things that you overcame silently. Because sometimes some battles need to be fucking fought on your own with no audience and no applause. I'm here to give you the props that you made it this far by pushing yourself. I see you, Source sees you. On that note, that was an added on channel because I was ending this before, so I guess we're ending it now. Hope everyone has a great day.